Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Google domain to Wix website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Wix, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a Google domain to your Wix website is a straightforward process that involves connecting the domain purchase from Google Domains to your Wix site. But you have to know that using a domain name like www.andyguides.com instead of a Wix subdomain like andyguides.wix.com makes your website look more professional and credible, because a custom domain strengthens your brand identity and helps visitors easily remember and access your website. So there are multiple ways for you to be able to add your Google domain to a Wix website. Number one is, for example, you are already here at the website builder. I need you to click on the connect domain option here. Okay, just click on that, and what will happen is you would be forwarded to a new page where it says you can simply connect a domain you already own. Obviously, that's going to be your Google domain, right? Now, if you do that, the thing is, you need to upgrade this site to connect a custom domain, because when you click this button here, what will happen is you would be forwarded to another option that needs you to choose the right Wix Studio plan for each client. Obviously, if you're using the free trial, which I am using right now, I need to upgrade to the basic, which is $12 per month. It's a good deal anyway. Now, if you click this one, basic, okay, you will be forwarded here on the billing cycles for basic plan. You can choose yearly, monthly, 2 years, but for now, let's choose the monthly. All right. Click on the continue to checkout. And the idea is you just have to complete the purchase and fill in all the details that is being required. All right, that's one way. Now, the next option is going back to the the builder. I need you to click the publish on the upper right corner, because what will happen is you can simply connect your own customized domain. Click on that and save and continue, and you would be forwarded here on the dashboard, wherein you will be asked what domain do you want to connect to your site one. Enter the web address you want for the site. It can be a domain you want to buy or one you already own, which is going to be your Google domain. Okay, so we're switching over to your Google domain. Now, if you haven't already, and this is the first time creating an account in Google domain, you don't have to worry, because they migrated to Squarespace domains. All right, and all I gotta do at this point, if you don't have any access to the Google Domains dashboard, just click on the Squarespace domain and just log into your account. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is enter the website that I'm currently working on and press enter. Click on let's go or press enter. It's up to you. Now, you would be asked here to check if you are the owner or if you own this admin or this domain. I'm sorry, but you have to check that if you already purchased this domain and you want to use it for your website, claim it now by clicking below. All right. If you do that, what will happen is you need to go to this notification that says you need to upgrade to your site with a premium plan to connect to your domain. And like the steps earlier, it's a premium feature. So I'm using the free plan at the moment, so I don't have any choice but to click on the upgrade button, and I would be forwarded here on the checkout process like what we did earlier. Because the thing is, Google Domains offers a simple and intuitive interface for managing DNS settings, renewals, and other domain related tasks. Now, if you click on the recommended button here, all you're gonna do is just proceed with the checkout process. All right, because Wix is really good for processing connecting domains, and it is designed to minimize or eliminate downtime, ensuring your website that remains accessible during the transaction. All right. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.